Expanding and simplifying. Okay, so what I have here is the part of the formula sheet that has the 3 different special cases. Now, a formula sheet is useless if you don't know how to read it. So let's learn how to read the thing. Okay, so what does this mean? With the difference of perfect squares, it's saying if we have something minus something else multiplied by something plus something else, and they are the same somethings, then you can shortcut and then just square the separate terms and then put a negative sign in the middle. Okay? Or doing the F and L part of FOIL only. Nope. Right after this. So I said I meant yes, but after this. And so the other 2 special circumstances is, and this is for you, Tommy, because this is what you got confused. There are 2 other special circumstances where if we have the same thing squared, so there's no like a positive, negative, it's just positive, right? If you have that, what you can do is square the first thing you see, square the last thing you see, take the 2 terms, multiply them together times by 2. That's what that's saying, right? So you can see here, in order for you to shortcut this, you can square 2x, which is here, square the 3, and then multiply these 2 things together. 2x times 3 is 6x. Multiply that by 2, and you'll get that. That's the shortcut, okay? So, Joe, Will. So here, you can do this question faster because you recognize that that's squaring. Okay, it's the same thing times the same thing. There's no differences there. So the first thing you need to recognize is that this means this, right? So you don't need to write that, but you need to understand that that's what that means. The second thing you need to understand is because it's the same thing times the same thing, you can use this shortcut here, perfect squares, and say, well, instead of doing FOIL, you can do a shortcut, and the shortcut is take the k, the first term, and square that. Take this negative 6 and square that. Then do k times negative 6, and then times that by 2, which is 12. That's the answer. Cool.